Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel again this evening. Now obviously we've had the budget announced by the Labour Party and Rachel Reeves today. Now one of the things that a lot of people have been kicking off about, especially in the Conservative Party, was this allegation that the Labour Party have broken their promise about increasing tax for working people. One of the things that it's relevant to is in regard to the national insurance raise. Now, as the government have said today, that they're only increasing national insurance for the part that employers pay. Okay, so they've basically said that they're going to increase it by 1.2%. So it goes from 13.8% up to 15%. Okay. And they're going to reduce the threshold that it gets paid at from £10,000, I think it's £10,100 down to, no, sorry, it's £10,500 down to £5,000. So the big question is, how does that affect you? Okay, are you going to be worse off? Are you going to be better off? You know, how's it going to hit you in the pocket? So, the thing that I thought about is, if I'm on minimum wage, we'll just take it as minimum wage, okay, and somebody that's arguably, let's say for instance, working at Tesco's or wherever they may be working a 40-hour week, okay, are they going to be better off or are they going to be worse off? Because everybody wants to be better off at the end of the day. No, nobody wants to be paying more tax. So I thought I'd go onto the BBC website and use their calculator, because BBC have on their coverage they've got a calculator to actually tell you, are you going to be better off or worse off? So somebody who's going to be getting the new minimum wage when it goes up in April, okay, so their wage rate will go up to £12.21, okay, which if you're working a 40-hour week over a year pays £25,396 and 80p. So the big question is, as I put it in right now, are you going to be better off? So according to their stats, it says that you would pay £1,539.22 in national insurance in 2023, but following two national insurance cuts in January and April of this year under the Conservative parties, your annual contribution will be £513.7p less, and you only pay £1,026.14 a year. That means you will keep £42.76 more of your salary each month than you did a year ago. So, is it a great amount of money? No, not really. But as the old saying goes, better in my pocket than in their pocket. So, you know, is it going to make a great deal? No, not really. But, you know, it is a saving at the end of the day. And with the way that the world is, and, you know, the cost of living, because there's still a lot of people struggling at the end of the day, you know, it is going to, every little bit is going to help. Okay, so I hope this helps people a little bit. Obviously, if you are earning more than the minimum wage and you want to find out, do go on to the BBC's website and you'll be able to get the information. You just go to the news part, cost of living, and there's a part about what is national insurance and how much do workers' employers pay, and there is a calculator halfway down. It'll give you that relevant information that you require. But for now, thanks for listening. I hope that helps you out a little bit. Okay. If you are new to the channel, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel as well. But for now, thanks for listening, and we'll speak to you again a bit later.